Viewers, is Gemini automatically on your Android phone and you want to remove it? In this video, I will show you how to remove Gemini from on Android phone. Okay, let's start. At first, go to your phone settings. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on search bar. Search for Gemini. Tap on Gemini. Tap on disable. Tap on disable apps. Go back. Go to your settings again. Tap on search bar. Search for Gemini settings. Tap on Gemini settings. Scroll down. Tap on digital assistant from Google. Select the Google Assistant. Tap on switch. Go back. Scroll down. Tap on Gemini on lock screen and turn on Gemini on lock screen turn off. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.